In other news, the minimum jeepney fare may roll back by another 50 centavos, but a group of commuters is asking for more. Connie Cizon on Q.
With the declining prices of diesel, the Alliance of Concerned Transport Organization, or ACTO, is willing to keep its promise of rolling back fares by 50 centavos. If the LTFRB approves, the present jeepney fare of 7 pesos and 50 centavos will then drop to 7 pesos.
Yung tamang-tamang proseso lang kasi ang driver kasi pag hindi umawak ng manibela yan, walang kakainin eh. Ganun yung aming katangian. Pero ang nakikita pa rin namin ay ang iniisip pa rin namin yung mga commuter.
Though looking forward to the minimum fare rollback, the National Council for Commuter Protection is also asking for a cut in the fare per succeeding kilometer from 125 to between 85 centavos and 1 peso.
The feedback from even the regions are saying that the commuters did not feel the rollback for the additional fare, for the additional kilometers.
But not all jeepney drivers are sold to the idea of ACTO. Even commuters have varied reactions.
Kulang pa yun. Laki ng itinaas nung nakaraan eh. Dapat ibaba pa.
Bakit po okay na sa inyo?
At least nabawasan ng konti.
Hindi pa namin alam yan eh.
Hindi pa alam. Pero kung sakasakali na ipatupad yun, okay na sa inyo yun?
Hindi, dapat hindi pa pwede yun kasi kabababa na ng diesel eh. Dapat sa mga susunod taon pa.
It's now up to the LTFRB to decide when the 50 centavo provisional fare rollback will start and whether to lower the additional fare per kilometer.
Hindi pa po natin alam kung magkano ang pwede pang ibaba sa pamasahe. But we hope the transport operators, their leaders, are aware of the downtrend for the diesel. But although we also have an experience of the increase on the part of gasoline and the LPG product. So these things has to be balanced.
Connie Cizon reporting on Q.